Alright, here is how to connect your card to your Google Pay account. Alright, so go over to your Google Pay and click on this your email icon. You can know that your email is automatically connected to your Google Pay. So click on the email icon. So you will have a pop-up like this. You can see manage app and device. So we are going to payments and subscription because we want to add our cards. Alright, click on payment and subscription. So we'll see payment method. So that's what we are interested in. Click on payment method. Alright, you can see I've already connected my account. That's a MasterCard. I've already connected them. So you can click on add credit or debit card. So if you haven't connected yours, so that's what you are going to click. So this is why I'm doing the voiceover. As you can see, Google didn't allow me to record this part because of their security reasons. Understand? So I've already connected everything. I reconnected my card again. So it's a very simple step, just one button and then your card is connected. So that's how to connect your card.